Hi, thanks for checking out another one of our videos here. It's the first time you ever seen one of our videos, we appreciate you finding us. If you've never subscribed or whatever, why don't you subscribe to our channel? We've got 640 or 650 videos as of April 2021. You know, I put out videos weekly. If not weekly, every other week, but I try to put out videos every so often throughout the week. I don't have a schedule. I just kind of do it when I have time. So, and I don't make videos on everything that we work on because we've got to, you know, I don't want to make duplicate repair videos, the same 5 units and the same 5 repairs. So I just do them as I think of one. Like, oh, that might be a good one to make a video on. I made a video on one of these in a while. But anyways, a little bit about us. We're a repair place by trade is what we do, work on fence chargers, but we are a dealer for the Gallagher brand, but we don't go out of our way to sell somebody something. I'd rather fix units all day long than sell somebody something. But we can help you out if you got a need for a new fence charger. We'll give you some recommendations and help you out and get you a good price on one. But let's jump into this thing. This is a Gallagher B260. It is a 2004 model. Look at the serial number right there. The first 2 digits 04. That's a 0449. That is a 49th week of 2004. So right near the tail end of 2004 is when this unit was built. So been around a while. You can see it's been scuffed up and scratched on and beat on by whatever. Probably a squirrel or something. Maybe a bird. I don't know. Maybe a possum. I don't know. Well, I'll hook it up to a 12-volt battery in a minute, but I'm going to pull it apart here. I think 2004, 2005, 6, somewhere in that range. I think 2004 or 5 was the last year they made this unit. The B280 came along about 2005, and that's what took the place of this one. But they made a B250 before this one, model only. It was the same guts on the inside, just the orange case, and maybe a different name on the front of it, B250, but the guts are all interchangeable between a 250 and a B260, and all the parts are still made for it. At this time they are anyways. So let's open it up. Alright, well, I already see something burnt right there. Backside of the board right there is some kind of black burnt spot. So let's pull this board out. See, the transformers got the same sticker on there, so the transformer's still original. Transformers don't go bad in these things hardly ever. I've seen they've been using these same transformers for different models since the 80s. So long time. Yeah, look at that boy. It's got water in it. So I might try to fix that board. I might just say put a new board in it, call it done. I got a lot of units to work on right now. I really don't have time to dick around fixing boards all day long. I can't always fix them, but we try on occasion when there's something straightforward. We'll do that. If it's got other little quirky issues, I'm not sure. We're just going to cut our losses and put a new part in there and move on to the next one. All right, we're going to test this capacitor. It's a 20 microfarad pulse grade capacitor. So if you're testing along here and want to learn a little bit of something, if you got a multimeter, preferably a digital one, this is a Fluke 115, be whatever meter you got. But look for focus, you stupid thing. There you go. Look on your meter. Look for the symbol that looks like that. God dang! Come on, stupid. There, that yellow symbol right there. That's the symbol for a capacitor. Come on, there. That yellow symbol right there is a symbol for capacitors. Not ohms for resistance, not a diode check, not continuity. It's a capacitor, so it's capacitance. So this is a 20. Usually you have to go down deep onto the thing, but sometimes you can test right across the top here. We're at 18.1. That's fine. That's close enough. See, this thing's 17 years old. The capacitor only lost 2 microfarad. That's not enough to make a difference. So we're gonna I'm gonna go grab another board, slip it on here. Hope that's all it is. But it looks like water had gotten in the thing at some point in time. So I imagine that's what's messed it up. But not too bad to go 2004 or 5 all the way to 2020, 21 and still running. Now here's the new board. Looks basically identical. Got a few differences in parts. Got a red LED instead of a clear one that lights up red. This is your battery check, battery low indicator. Basically, the big LED is. This bulb here is one that clicks and flashes with every pulse. So they got a newer type coil right there. I got a bigger wattage resistor right here. At the back side. Man, besides it's pretty clean. Nice looking board. You see what probably this board probably didn't quite look this nice brand new, but it's probably pretty darn close. So, but let's just install a new board. Now you got to make sure that this switch right here is in the same position that this is in, because you got this little let's see, this little deal, there it is right here. See, as you turn it, this two little white pegs right here kind of grab a hold of that black thing on the switch right there. So always turn it off, turn that switch all the way over the side, slide it in like this, go up underneath all those little white things and the little metal tabs. Get started. Then you kind of look down here, and this, sometimes the tabs bend on you a little bit. You gotta straighten them out a little bit. Just press down all the way. Alright, one thing I need to check, just to make sure it's the same. You got these little switches right here, which correspond to this chart over here. And right now he's got 1 and 3 down and 2 up. He's got 1 and 3 down. He's got on a night save. So during the day, there's night save. Yeah, night save's right here. Second one from the top. So during the day, flashes fast, pulses fast. At night, pulses slow. And I think that must be the default setting, because that's got the same. It's got the same setting on this one. So let's hook the power supply to it. We're gonna 12.5 volts on it. These things are kind of funny. They make like a squealing sound when they work. And that squealing sound comes from this transformer right here. See if it squeals or not. There it goes. So let's check the output and see what kind of voltage we're getting out of it. We're getting about 8.5 kV. It's a half power. It's got a half power setting up. We'll put to the center. So now it's a little slower, or a little less power. Still getting 6,500. So it does like a half joule setting or whatever. Still puts that pretty good pop for a half power. Let's go back to full power. Nice, good old school unit. Goes working just fine now. The nice thing about Gallagher's, man, they just run and run and run. So this unit's done. You know, if I had more time, I'd probably fool around with that board. But if you look at it, the sticker's still on there. 08. So this board's been replaced once before, back in 2008. The board was built in 08. The unit was built in 04. So it's had the board replaced once before, but it's been what, 2008 to now, what's 15 years, something like that. So it's been a number of years since it was built. So it ran quite a while without having to have the new board run. So originally 2004 model, but it's got a 2008 board in it. I'll plan out that board later on. I don't have time for it right now. I got units to work on, not my ears. So we're just gonna finish it up, go on to the next one, and get some stuff out the door. I don't have time to play around with these things right now. So hope you like this kind of stuff. If you ever have a need for a fence charger repair of any brand, we'll definitely take a look at it. If we can tear it apart and get into it and mess around with it, we'll sure try. There's our information right there. And if you're ever looking for a good spare unit or want to buy a new unit, we are a dealer for Gallagher. We work on all brands, but we are a dealer for Gallagher. I don't go out of my way to sell somebody something. I'd rather fix a unit than sell you one. But if you ever need a good spare unit or want a bigger unit or a better unit and tired of putting money into these cheapo ones, you want a good one, get a hold of me and I'll help you out. Alright, well, we're going to move on to the next one. And until next time, see you later.